Welcome back, Tigers! You use AI every day, whether it's ChatGPT or Claude, and you use Salesforce to run your business. So why not connect the two? The answer is simple. You should never connect a free or paid personal AI account to your corporate Salesforce environment. One of the most significant dangers is creating what's known as shadow AI. This is an unmonitored data pathway that completely bypasses your company's existing security infrastructure. This happens when employees use AI tools outside of approved company systems. In many cases, employees are connecting their personal AI account to different corporate platforms like Salesforce directly, or simply by copying and pasting sensitive customer information directly into their personal AI account. Now, when you perform these actions, you are creating an unmonitored data silo that skips enterprise data loss prevention tools, leaving a zero audit trail for your security teams. Now, many employees make the mistake of thinking a sandbox environment is safe. This is not true. We recently saw a developer connect their personal Claude account to a partial sandbox. Since their user had system administrator access to Salesforce, Claude then inherited those broad permissions. A partial refresh in the sandbox contains thousands of records representing your production data and all of your customizations, workflows, and processes that are company information. By making this connection, Claude potentially had access to absolutely everything. Now let's also dispel a common myth. If I pay for Claude Pro or ChatGPT Plus, my data is protected. The reality, upgrading to a personal paid tier only increases processing limits and features. It does not grant enterprise level protections. Model training is still on by default for paid personal accounts unless you manually opt out, and the data is still stored on third-party servers for abuse monitoring. Integrating unmanaged personal AI accounts with Salesforce is also a direct breach of many regulatory and industry frameworks. For HIPAA, personal AI accounts lack the required BAA agreements, making the processing of protected health information an automatic federal breach. Now, for GDPR in Europe, LGPD in Brazil, CCPA in California, sending customer data to an unapproved tool lacks the required consumer consent, which could be legally defined as sharing or selling data, triggering immediate statutory violations. Now, for PCI DSS, you violate payment card safety protocols by transmitting cardholder data or financial profiles into unencrypted consumer chat strings. Now, what about cybersecurity insurance policies? Most underwriters require companies to maintain strict technical data controls. Utilizing unapproved personal AI tools can result in immediate denial of claims or policy cancellation following a data breach. Connecting personal AI accounts may also violate your company's obligations in your Salesforce MSA. I am not a lawyer, but the MSA states the customer is responsible for preventing unauthorized access or use, complying with laws and regulations, and ensuring lawful handling of customer data. Customers cannot improperly expose third-party data or violate privacy rights. The Salesforce MSA makes the customer responsible for how third-party AI integrations handle Salesforce data. So now the differences between personal and enterprise AI accounts are clear. Enterprise accounts legally bind the vendors to strict data privacy rules, zero training mandates, you have SSO integration, they also offer better security controls, legal and compliance protections, audit logging, workspace level permissions, monitor usage, secure workflows, and provide admin oversight. If your company lacks an enterprise Claude or ChatGPT account, you can safely use generative AI with Salesforce by using Salesforce built-in AI tools like Agentforce in the Einstein Trust Layer. These tools are designed specifically for enterprise security and help protect customer data by masking sensitive information and preventing external AI models from storing or training on your company's data. And best of all, your data never leaves Salesforce. Now protect your company, your customers, and your job. Don't connect your personal AI accounts to Salesforce. That's it. That's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe to Blue Tiger Academy so you don't miss our next video outlining all the steps you need to take to adhere to Salesforce's new MFA security requirements. We will be releasing 4 videos that walk you through all of the steps you need to follow to get ready for the upcoming changes. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see a video on a different Salesforce topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.